Hi, this is Pavel with a C# exercise from the book Visual C# 2012 How to Program. This one's chapter 15, exercise 3. We are going to be using some combo boxes, and it's going to be very simple. We are going to write an app that displays the names of 15 states in a combo box. When an item is selected from the combo box, remove it. In other words, there will be 15 states in the combo box. We'll click on one, and when we do, that's basically will act as a delete command. Alright, so I'm gonna do this from the scratch, since this is a Windows form, so in case there's any misunderstandings or some kind of a problem. So we select Visual C#, and this time we don't select console application, we select obviously Windows form, and I'm going to name this 5.3 using ComboBoxes, and you save it into your folder wherever you would normally save it, and just click OK, and there it is. The form loads. You have your toolbox, you have the Solution Explorer. So I'm going to do a little quick cleanup, even though this is a simple project. I'm going to display the properties windows, so when I click on the form, I'll just call it using ComboBoxes, just to give it some some title on the form. And in this case there's only one form, but I still will rename it ComboBoxes. FRM is like the prefix for form. So this is my form, very simple, and what we need is a combo box. So I go to my toolbox and drag a combo box in there. I can make it bigger for this particular exercise, and I'm going to call it combo box states, because we are going to be having 15 states there. Now normally you would populate it probably from like a text file or a database, it would have all the states listed there, but you can do it in design view by clicking on this little arrow, and it says edit items, and over here we can start adding the states, like Alaska, Obama, I don't know, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Washington, and you can do all 15. For this exercise it doesn't matter, you can fill up as many states as you want. So when you click OK, all the states are actually listed there. So when I start the program now, and it loads, and here's my combo box. When you click it down, the down menu, all the states are listed in the order they were entered. Alright, so doing that. So that's the combo box. Another way to populate them, the content, would be at load, like when the form loads. But before I do anything, let me click on the form again, and over here where it says start position, I'll just do it as a center screen, because last time it was all the way in the corner, so this way it should appear right here. So another way to populate, if you double click the form, it goes to the load event, and you can add the items manually on the load event, like combo box states dot items dot add, and we can do I don't know, well, I already have some states there, so this will actually just override it, but that's good for the demonstrations anyway. So I'm going to start, let's say, in Oklahoma, for example, and I'll just copy paste it, and over here I will do California, I will do Nebraska, I'll do Texas. So when I load it now, and I click the, I didn't override it, never mind, I was wrong. It actually added it to it. So you have the first states that we entered manually in the design time, and here you have the Oklahoma, California, Nebraska, and Texas that we entered at the load. So again, it didn't override what was entered before. It simply added to it. So, but that's another way to add content to a combo box. So now all we have to do, it asks us to remove the state from the combo box when selected. So when I double click the combo box, it brings me to the selected index changed, and all we have to do now is one line really that will remove the selected state. And it's a simple command. Again, we are referring to combo states, we can referring to items, and this time we are removing, so it says remove, and it asks us for the object or for the value to remove. And in this case, the removing the item we are removing is again referred to the combo states dot did I misspell it? Combo states dot items dot not items, sorry, dot selected item. So the selected item is going to be the one that is being removed. So when I click start again and run it, here we have all the states. Like when I click Pennsylvania and I go back here, Pennsylvania is gone. When I click Washington, it's gone. Texas, gone. Alaska, gone. And you can remove all of them this way. So, but if you run it again, if I could close it and run the program again, all the states will be still there. This is doesn't delete them like this is not a text file or in a database. This simply removes them from the combo box while the program is running. And that's 15.3. This is the chapter 15 exercise 3. That's all there is to it. So hope it was helpful, and I'll see you at the next video. Take care.